in the nail, so then you can design it really cool and then get it kind of a translucent or glitter, so then when you apply the gel tip extension glue on, it's absolutely, you know, it penetrated and then is go and clear through the tips because it's actually the gels, the 100% gel. So clear for 60 seconds on that nails. It's done. 60 seconds. 60 seconds, and then we are going to using is I'm gonna using a weaver gels on this. I'm loving it. You know that you can even put the weaver gels like this weaver gel. Yeah, I know the. I don't want to do this one. That what color is aqua color? Turquoise weaver gel. So this is the color I'm using. I love it. Like even you doing your clients a liquid and powders with natural pink, you can do one hint of this on and then it's good to go. Well, of course, top coat it. Just open it. So beautiful. Perfect for fall. This is turquoise, right?
Turquoise.
Here you go. And I do. If you see that I did show you how to put this stick together from a toothpick, and I'm gonna do it one. If you want your line to be thicker, you can dip a little bit like more. If not, then you are good to go. And just one side on this one. Okay. I'm gonna flash key it for 30 seconds. Give a little bit sore and it's gonna come right off. Wipe this on off. Hey Shelby, thanks so much for tuning in. You think we want to do spider on this one? If Robin, are you here? Spider or pumpkin first? I will love everything. Pumpkin? Maybe pumpkin. Maybe pumpkin right in the thumbs and with the pumpkin with the chains. I have a chains right here ready. Can I get the claws?
The what?
The skeleton hand? Can you ask Mika to help get me one? I think I use them all.
Okay. Hold on.
This is that if you want a lot of skeleton hand, this is gonna be the kit that you want to have. It's have everything you want. I can't wait because we're gonna do more on this design. 30 seconds, this one up, and I'm using a turquoise weaver gels. Put it on the side so then it won't get messed up. Thank you. I just really want to do a fusion ink though. One fusion ink. I should do some fusion ink. You can give me some fusion ink, the neon and stuff. I will be happy. Great. So now I am going to add the pumpkin on it. So who said that you can have fun on any colors for the Halloween? It doesn't have to be a traditional of orange and black. You can do any colors you want. Just unleash your potential. You don't have to be just in only in traditional. I'm go ahead and using condensed glue gels and add. Do you have a cloth? Hey, thank you, Mika. MikaTheBomb.com. Mika is one of Glitz BA, so cool and talented. We're gonna see you in Orlando. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the nails first, okay? Not too thick, not too thin. You don't want to definitely flood your charms and crystal, but also you don't want to get it too thin to the point that it's not going to adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and using a no wipe top coat right on the top, floating on the top of where I'm applying. And this beautiful nails, I am doing the pumpkin first, and I'm gonna put the skeleton hands on after that. So then that way it's gonna able to grab the pumpkins really cool and nice. She's like, I'm not coming to that nails. Right, so like a pumpkin trap in really beautiful like spider web, turquoise spider web. Flash clear this one really quick. All right. Flash clear, and we can using the my gosh, this one is so adorable. I know say adorable, it looks cooler. At least it's skeleton hand, but at least it have crystals, so it's really good. I'm gonna using the chains. I'm gonna have that pumpkins, the hands wrap around the pumpkins, and I'm gonna have a chain. So this skeleton hands grab the pumpkin and thinking that it can get away with this, but unfortunately it got trapped back by the chain. So it can't go anywhere, it's stuck in that nails. So next we are going to apply the condensed glue gels. And the next thumbs I'm gonna do is like what is that spider? I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm apply the condensed glue gel right on the top of the pumpkin. No wipe top coat. And add the hands on. Ah, so cool. And I said, no, let me go, let me go. I said, you're stuck. Right there.
You know what I say?
What do you say?
So the pumpkin about to be dinner for your spider. So spider gonna about to have some pumpkin pie tonight. And that skeleton hand tried to pull him out, but then he got stuck too.
Yeah, it got stuck, and it get stuck on the chains, and it's stuck here with me on the nails, and it's go home with Robin.
Yep. So now tonight that spider gonna have chicken finger with pumpkin pie.
That is a good imagination. It's not chicken. It's skeleton finger. All right, so I am going to go ahead and pick more condensed glue gel, really thick density. So each time you're using that much, you don't want to use too much to fill your crystals. I am going to apply it on the nails now. And here's some cool tips, okay? Don't put the top coat yet because I am going to place the chains. So this is a right hand. So this is a right hand. I'm gonna lay it right. I haven't top coated yet, okay? Because I want it to the chain to be on the condensed glue gels, but it has a top coat to cover it, and also we're gonna use a precision glue gel to definitely okay. So now I can top coat it. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna top coat this one. I'm so excited. Top coat. You can definitely top coat everything because this is a charm. You don't top coat on the top of the crystal, but you can definitely top coat on the chains, charms. And then pumpkin, skeleton hand to prevent from getting tarnished. And because of a lot of hands washings and everything else. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glow-in-the-darks for my glow-in-the-dark kits and some of my pumpkin spice. I'm gonna add 1 pumpkin spice right there, and then glow-in-the-darks. I love to add different color of the glow-in-the-dark smaller because it was really cool and stunning for when you are going out for, you know, like Halloween party or anything like that. Add a little, and then don't forget some beads and frame. You know what? You can do however you want with this. You'll never go wrong with this. If you are doing with the Halloween, just keep in mind you can create pretty much everything. There are no right way or wrong ways for you to create it. It's your potential, and only you need to do is set the centerpiece in this beautiful design. The centerpiece, it is the pumpkin and skeleton hand, and you can able to start with that first, and then you can add any other crystals, any designs on it. Okay, so we are gonna moving on the here first, and then we are going to move on the second index nails. I'm so excited about what part, you know, it just looks so cool like this. We're like, oh, I don't know how I can do with this. Oh, you can absolutely do everything with this. I'm gonna seal it really well with precision glue that I just got in my sub box, and I'm so excited. All right, it looks so much better when you're even in the person.